Well done, sweets.
So one of the things that, because this is summer, I didn't go into too great of a detail and stuff in that, but there's a few reasons that you would be using a quick release knot. Some might be, for instance, kind of like in here, before I had cross ties put up, and that, when I first moved here, I did want to do some grooming. And that, so I would do a quick release knot. It's for safety, in case if something went wrong. There's no, bring my jacket please. You might be at like a horse show with a trailer and tie them up on there so that you can do some tack up, or if it's between shows, or I guess classes. And there's definitely a few things and stuff. And all that, you can do a few loops. I think I did 3 loops. Literally all you just have to do is pull and it will come undone. Right. So kind of the same with cross ties, you would do it more level with their head, but with her being a mini and the bars so high, did have to go a little bit harder than I would have liked. So that's a few of the reasons why you would use a quick release knot, and thank you for watching. Where are you going?